Welcome today in front of me Realme C25Y, and I'll show you how to check battery health on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here in the search pool type the Ampere. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while application installing on your device. Now just tap to open. Here click yes I agree, be close. On the left down corner tap to OK, and as can you see right now we can check our battery's health. That's good. Also we can here see the level of our battery, such as the temperature, the Android version, the model of our phone, and more other information. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.